Have you wanted to ever feel like you're performing like an old rock star? Or that you can play the guitar, but you just don't have the time or money to do it? Hi, my name's John Fay, and let me teach you a little bit about Guitar Hero. Now, Guitar Hero is a game for Wii, Xbox, PlayStation, whatever you got. And you press these buttons while strumming here, and it's supposed to mimic the idea of what a real guitar or a real live performance feels like. Now, Guitar Hero has been out for 14 years, and it's still being played today. It's an instant classic from release. Many notable guitarists today, most famously being Post Malone, has attributed his career playing the guitar to Guitar Hero. He just liked the way that he was able to perform, and it spiked his interest in a career of performing. Instead of years and so much money putting into the real guitar, go to your local store, buy yourself maybe a console if you don't have, this guitar, and a game. It should cost you only around 60 bucks instead of hundreds or maybe even thousands of dollars of guitar lessons. And it might just be a little cheap when it comes to learning the guitar, but I can sure tell you it's a great game. It's my personal favorite, and you should go out there and get it for yourself to start your virtual rock star career.